Flax seeds, also known as linseeds, are small brown or golden seeds that are packed with nutrients and offer a variety of health benefits. Here are some of the key benefits of consuming flax seeds. 1. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds are an excellent source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which is a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 fatty acids are important for heart health and can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 2. High in fiber. Flax seeds are a great source of both soluble and insoluble fiber. This can aid in digestion, promote regular bowel movements, and help prevent constipation. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified if any new videos. 3. Potential cholesterol reduction. The soluble fiber in flax seeds may help lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. 4. Flax seeds may help reduce blood pressure. Some studies suggest that flax seeds may have a modest effect in reducing blood pressure, which is important for cardiovascular health. 5. Antioxidant properties. Flax seeds contain lignans, which are plant compounds with antioxidant properties. These antioxidants may help protect the body's cells from damage caused by free radicals.